we're going to demo today our integration that we have developed for Mqtt enabled devices. So the Mqtt protocol with Fiix, the CMMS. So this is a very important step in order to get IoT integrations with Fiix, because Mqtt it's not a particular type of device. It's a protocol. It's a messaging transport protocol, which is it's become the standard in most IoT, Internet of Things devices, not specific to any particular brand or of equipment. And it's becoming more and more popular and coming in many simple devices like the ones that we're gonna show today. So why would we want to integrate this protocol to Fiix? Well, most of the integration that this is gonna let us do is pushing the hours of usage or any unit of usage to the equipment, like the produced units too, or any other thing that the device might be metering in order to push it to Fiix, and then trigger the preventive maintenance based on those triggers. Also get the usage of the machinery because it's going to log all the record of that usage, and then do some condition monitoring depending on what this Mqtt device is doing. So just to have an idea, this is not specific to any piece of hardware. These are just some of the devices that come built in with Mqtt. We're going to use this one, the Metere. It's very affordable and a good solution for when you want to do meter readings, because it lets you connect up to 8 machines into just one gateway and publish to Fiix. So this is a very viable option for what we're looking for. So one question that we get very often is which type of machine we can connect to one of these meter readings. Well, actually, it could be any type of machine that has like a relay or a contactor or a switch that you can use to track the usage. So let's say if it's I don't know, if it's a pump, it would be you could take the signal from the contactor. If it's a saw, you can get the contactor that runs the motor with the digital input connected to here, and the device will take care of tracking the hours of usage. It's in this case, this one is connected via Wi-Fi to Fiix. So you see, it's going to be able to track the hours of usage on the equipment. So we have this demo deployed here. Where do I have here it is. We have it running here. It hasn't yet been connected to Fiix. That's what we're gonna see now. But this is representing 3 machines: the green, the yellow, and the red one. Each of them connected to a relay and to their light. Okay, so when we turn them on, and these are connected to the input of the PLC or the meter reading in this case. We can provide you this PLCs already configured, ready for tracking hours. So what we're gonna do, let me close this one. Gonna open our CMMS here and have a look at the assets that we have. So you see, I have already created the 3 machines. You see, they don't have any meter reading because we haven't yet connected the device to Fiix. So how do we connect? Well, it's very simple. The only information that we need, it's the ID of the asset. Considering that we're only gonna be tracking hours in this case, we're only gonna track the ID of the device. So it's 25302, and we have developed. Let's log in here. This is the integration portal which we use to connect Fiix with the Mqtt devices. So once we log in, you see that we have the first thing that you have to do is do the connection to Fiix, enter the keys. This is something that is developed in Fiix and that every user administrator of Fiix can get done. Very simple. And then we have a couple of standardized devices that we can easily set up. One of them is the Metere, which we are gonna connect now. So This one, it's called Metere number 1, and Metere 1. And these are the inputs. So each of these, we have to say which input is connected to each device. So we have the green machine is 25.302.509, 25.302.509. 25.302.511 and 512. 25.302. 25.302.512. So we're saying that which machine is connected to each input of the meter reading. So it's a green, yellow, and red connected to inputs 0, 1, and 2. So then I just added. The device has been added here. Let's see if we don't get any error. You see there are no errors, so it has already been connected. The connection is established. So this is going to start pushing the meter reading hours to the system. In this case, it's probably not running yet. I'm just going to show you here. I'm activating it because it updates every 1 minute when there are changes on the values. So I have just activated them so they can start pushing the values. And what I've done already is creating some preventive maintenances for each piece of equipment. So if we go to here, well, I'm going to delete these ones, which are the ones that we made before. For another demo, I'm going to delete these guys. If we go to schedule maintenance, you see that we have 3 schedule maintenance as well. Actually, they are not running, so I'm going to activate them now. So as soon as you see, these are for every 200 hours. So whenever we get a value of meter reading for the grid machine over 200 hours, it's going to trigger this preventive maintenance. 200 hours, which include this work. Let's get them activated. This one too. Okay. Actually, you see the next trigger is going to be when it reaches 200. We don't have yet any reading. Let's see if we get any. There we go. The work orders have already been generated because they have, it seems like we have gotten a meter reading over those 200. So when we go to the assets, green machine, we go here to metering events, we have 1,799 hours of use. In this case, we have, these hours are actually seconds because we wanted to make the demo and it wouldn't make sense to get hours, it would take forever. So you see it's updating, it's uploading the values. These are values that were already uploaded on this device. And it's just gonna be uploading every 1 minute. I'm gonna keep this one running. You see, this one is showing in yellow because it means that it has triggered a preventive maintenance. So if we look at here on the log of the asset, it says that there is an open work order, which is to perform the 200 hours inspection. So let's get back to look at red machines. If we get any other, you see the red machine has 677 hours of use. And you see the values have been updated. See, it's updating every 1 minute, 11:46 and 11:47. And these are the current values. So it's been a very simple way to integrate it, get it connected. We only need to know which device you want to use, or if you want to use one of these ones that we already have. It's very simple to get it integrated. And if it's any other Mqtt device, we can just get the raw message and get it processed and upload it to Fiix. So we hope you like it, and you can reach out to us by one of our emails or any contact way that you find on this video.